Well, welcome back to Doggone RV'N. This is just going to be a short little video. Kind of put this in between the last one you just saw and the one that's coming after this. A friend suggested that I make a video asking for feedback as to what you think I should do. Should I just stay with Ember, or should I get a second dog, another border collie, to be a companion to Ember to grow up with, as I did Katie and Sara. I've got my eye on a couple breeders in the area, and I'm looking at another female, red and white or brown and white, however you see it, or a what they call a merle, which is I call it a marbling of colors within the border collie's coat. So yeah, I said in the last one I wouldn't get another puppy, but by the time I get this second pup, if I get a second pup, Ember will be at least half a year old already, and it'll be easier to deal with another puppy with Ember's age at that point, having worked with her and being somewhat trained and obedient. So I guess I may be seriously considering getting another dog, another border collie to raise with Sara. The funny thing about the last pair I had, or with Ember, I keep still getting them mixed up. It hasn't been that long since I've lost both my previous dogs. When I had Sara and Katie, Katie was 1 month older, and it's funny, they'd learned from each other. They worked together, and we all three were a pack. And I noticed after a while that Katie was picking up on Sara as far as going on point, which I don't think is common in border collies. They do something similar like that when they use their eyes to, seems like, hypnotize the sheep when they're staring at them. But yeah. Anyway, it's funny, when you get older in your retirement, sometimes you start realizing, well, hey, this is the last chapter of my life, you know, and you start worrying about your mortality, and you're going to worry yourself to death, you know. I'm in a hell of a lot better shape than either of my parents were at my same age. So far, I've outlived my dad, and I'm sure I'm going to outlive my mom, but they never took care of themselves. My dad hated doctors, and my mom was really, controlling, to say it nicely. Anyway, it's one of those things where you don't want to look back on your life with regret because you didn't do something that you really wanted to, that your heart wanted, because you let fear overrule what you truly wanted. So yeah, I'm not going to let fear keep me from having and enjoying what I want this last chapter of my life, however long it is. I don't know. I'm kind of interested, with all my viewers, almost 1,000 according to YouTube, how many of you out there think I should get a second border collie to raise with Ember as I did with Kate and Sara previously? I pretty much know what I'm going to do either way, but I'm kind of curious to the input from my viewers. So let me know. Give me some feedback on this video about what you think. Other than that, I'm still planning on my spring trip, no matter what the age of the dogs. Border collies I found to be easier to train than some hard-headed Irish setters. But like I said, once you get through that phase, they grow up and they're great dogs, great family dogs, great smart dogs. The Irish Setter and Border Collie are both, as far as I've found in my life, very intelligent dogs and great family dogs. So they have their personalities, just like if you had a son and daughter, there'd be different, totally different personalities. So yeah, I've got my backyard two-run indoor-outdoor kennel that I've had for my other two dogs. So that's plenty. That's great. It's heated and secure and everything like that. So and then I've got all this stuff laying around the house that I had for both dogs. So why not put it to use? Anyway, yeah, I think it's going to be easier the second time around, after going through the puppy stages with Ember, to go through the puppy stages with my new Border Collie, if I get one. So yeah, I think the age difference will be helpful, and it'll be fun to see them get together and become a family. All of us become one pack. So I hope you guys will give me some feedback, especially those that watched me for a couple years now, or knew of the last two dogs I had in my other previous videos. And you can always go back to my YouTube channel and look those up. And well, I guess it's just a wait and see. I'm in contact with a couple of Border Collie breeders up here in Washington State, and we'll just wait and see what happens. I'm hearing things out there. I don't know what Ember's doing. It's like kids. It gets quiet and you wonder, okay, what's going on out there? But yeah, I'm working on, oh, there you are, Ember. I'm working on videos starting my upgrade series on my RV, and I've got so many. Yeah, hi, Ember. What a doll. Here. What you doing, Ember? Huh? Yeah. She's getting to be a big girl. Huh, aren't you, Ember? Yeah. You're just so nice when you're calm after you get the morning zoomies out of you. Let's get this up a little higher. There you go. Give me some feedback. What do you think about getting another Border Collie to raise with Ember here? And just let me know what you guys think of my videos, okay? It really helps me understand what people today are truly interested in, what they truly value, enjoy, understand, appreciate, you know. Okay, well, Ember's looking around. Oh, there you are. She was in sleeping on my bed. If she's not down here on their dog bed when I'm in here working on videos sleeping, she's sleeping on my bed. She's where I am or where I've been. She likes my chair, and if I'm sitting on it, she'll jump up there and curl up on my lap, or if I'm on the couch, she'll curl up next to me while I'm watching TV. She's a beautiful, smart, loving dog, and I look forward to having that in the next dog I get, as I had with both Sara and Katie. Get back to me, give me some feedback on whether I should get a second dog or not. Give me some feedback on my videos, and we'll catch you later. Bye-bye.